Alright guys, we're doing work for the 4th distillery today for Mr. Jeff Moore. Great customer we have. It's the second job we're doing for him. What we're doing is we're trimming all these trees off the building for him. Just kind of cleaning up everything. Go ahead, cut that down. About how far we are now. Just trimming up all this off the building. So yeah, give us a call, Joshua Tree Service, and we can help you with all your tree needs. Licensed, insured, bonded, everything. Give us a call. Thanks.